Hello friends, welcome again. This is my new project, online food ordering system. I am using latest PHP version 8 and the MySQL version is 8. And this is a bootstrap theme. We have used the Visual Studio Code ID, so this technology stack we have used for development this project. So this is a responsive theme. If you click on the inspect and if you click on that, then you can see this is a mobile version of website. So this is all of the mobile version. You can see. Okay, now let's start the functionality of this project. Our project title is online food ordering system and we have developed this project with two different type of interface, that is the customer in user front end face and the second one is admin interface. Both are totally different interface but both are responsive and we are using bootstrap latest PHP version, and this is a major project and from this project you can learn a lot of things like how can create the database, how can you manage the database, pre-php with CRUD application, create, update and delete. Many of the things you can learn. So let's start the features which we have developed in this project. So this is a home page. You can see this is a home page. This is a category listing and this is a dynamic category which are coming from the database. If you click like Chinese, you can see this is a header bar. You can search anything from here. So this is a home page. We have added we have added three images here. You can see. You click on the shop now. Again you will see the images has been changed. So which we able to see all the images. So we have used a lot of plugins to develop this project. So this is all of the home page. Now this is the about us page. This is a static page, nothing dynamic in this page. So this is a products page. All the food items are coming from the database. So this is a dynamic page. You can see if you click on the view details, you can see all the details about the aloo methi, like a descriptions, type, and the name and the price you can see. Now click on the categories. This is all of the categories. So we have added 8 categories, but this is a dynamic. You can add the number of food categories from the database from the admin panel. We have a separate admin panel for that. If you click on the categories like a click on North Indian, you can see North Indian related aloo methi are coming from the database. This is a user registration page. Here a user can register registration from this. This is a login page. Here user can log in and this is a contact us page. This is a static page. But we have added a small map integrated here. So now let's go. If I buy some food items like a Oreo shake, click on the view details and you can add the number of items like a 1, 2, 3. Click on the add to cart. So there is a restrictions. Without login, you can't buy the Oreo shake. So you must have the user account on this portal for buying any food item. Without account, you can't buy any product. So the user ID is amit@gmail.com and the password is test. Now click on the this is a user dashboard. You can see now click on the products, click on Oreo shake and you can add the number of 2 or you click on the add to carts. You can see two items and the two items and amounts gets calculating automatically and the total amount, that much amount you need to pay 1600 you need to pay. You can click on the proceed to checkout. After that you will be able to say payment page. This is a dummy page, not a real payment page. You can enter anything like a card number 12345 and the number of name of card like a master, expiry date 12 and the CVC 123. Click on the make payment option. You can see your payment has been done and this is the order summary. You can see your order summary from the my order accounts. You can see your order history and the order. So this is a click on again the dashboard. You can see a user dashboard. This is a total orders, confirmed orders, transit order, delivered orders. Here you can see important links. Either you can go on the page from this or either clicking on this page. Click on icon button. You can see the some order summary. So this is a my account section. Here you can update his account and this is a change password. You can easily update his password from here and this. So this is all about the front end thing. And one last thing I want to tell you, this is a session driven. You can see this administration option is also showing and the logout option showing and the dashboard option is also showing. If I log out, you can see upper menu has been changed because of the session driven. So the system is checking who is logging and accordingly so that upper menu displaying. So this is all about the front end panel what we have developed inside the project. Now comes on the admin panel. For admin panel you need to open first admin. So slash admin. So this is a admin panel. You need to log in right first. Without login, you can't access the internal page. So the admin user is admin@gmail.com like this. Admin@gmail.com. Password is test. Click on the sign in. Oh wow, this is a very attractive and great dashboard we have created for the admin panel. Here you can see the total orders, total delivered orders, each and all things you can see. So now click on the product management. Add product page. Here admin can add the new products and you can see product report also. Now click on the product report. If you click on this is all of the product report. If you click on edit button, you can see the product will be visible in editing format. So this is all of the product report. You can export this whole data in CSV as well as Excel as well as PDF. You can do disable or enable the columns from it if you don't want to see the type like this. Click on the type. You can see the types is not coming here, but if you click on the type you can see types is visible. Some of the category features like this. Same for the category. Click on the add category page. Here admin can easily add new category food items and this is a category report. You can see all the category report. You can also see in edit format in category report. Same like a product management and you can export the data as CSV as well as Excel as well as PDF. Same for the order management. Here admin can see all the orders like a total orders, order delivered, confirmed orders and if you click on view button, you can see the order summary. If you want to this order status is confirmed. If you want to cancel, like if you want to like a delivered, you can click on the delivered and update. You can see your order has been delivered. Now this is a customer management page. Here admin can add the new use customer, and this is a customer report. You can see all of the customer report, same as the category and the product. This is a change password. Here admin can easily update his password, and this is the logout option. You can log out from here. So this is total. So this is the admin panel. You can see the view of admin panel and also view of user panel. So we have to develop these two different types of view for the managing this whole project online food ordering system. So this is all the features we have developed inside the project. If you need any enhancement, any feature, just put it into the comment box. We will develop the new project according to your requirement. So please don't forget subscribe our channel. Thank you for the watching this video, and thank you very much.